All right, I'll try and make this video short and clear, but imagine that you logged into Moodle when it was time to give your elementary grades, for example, and you would click on your class, you would just see the class. So yeah, for whatever grade level it is, there'd be a basic template that has announcements, attendance, checklist, like what they all do. And then you'd see a different tile or a different image for each class in that grade. So English language arts, math, science, social studies, etc. Well, if you're a social studies teacher, you should click there and you would see an assignment listed for each of the main things that you want to see on the report card. So this is grade 5, social studies. Let's see. Yeah, goal 1, quarter 2, goal 2, or goal 1, quarter 3, goal 1, quarter 4. Social studies skills, which is goal 2, first quarter, goal 2, second quarter. So if it's the end of the second quarter, you would just click here, right? The ones that have 2 here, you would click, and I only have 2 people listed in this course. Click on grade them, and you could choose the grade over here for how, according to the grading scale that your school is set up. So this person's receiving. If you want to write a comment, you could. It's like, great job. And we could even put in a bunch of standard comments that you could choose from if you wanted to do that. Save it and go to the next one. Same thing. This person is meeting expectations. And then when you're done, you'd go back to your grid, go back to your class, and grade the next area. So you could just go through all of this and grade each item that's for each quarter. If you wanted to go to, let's say, English language arts, they have a lot more content to grade in that one. You'd see all the assignments or all the things for each quarter for the year, all the way down. If you wanted to rearrange this so you had like goal 1 reading use grade level phonics, if you wanted to have that grouped for quarter 1, 2, 3, 4, you could. So you can have it set up however you want, but all you do is go in, click on it, grade, enter the grades I showed you, and that's it. That's how you enter the grades. Now for generating the report, that would be down in the reports and graduate skills. So you go down here, and this custom certificate is a template I've developed. It takes a while to make the certificate. It's just time intensive to make it, but once it's done, it's easy to modify. You go down here to the report, and you don't do anything with this at all. Use your administrators to edit this and set the date when this report will be generated. And on that date, if the grades are in, the report is automatically sent out to the parents through email, and it's sent to the students as well. So the parents and students get the report emailed to them, and this is what the report would look like. Let's see. Oh, I read a certificate. That's what I needed to do. Come on. Yeah. So you can put whatever information you want up here. This is just basic right now. So you'd have the name of the course up at the top where it says, right now it says template elementary grid. That would be the name of the course. You'd have the date when the report was issued, the student's name, QR code, each item that was graded. You'll see with this one, all the grades are in here. And then the category total would only appear once I put in a formula for that, but you should have a grade for each category on that. as you go through. And it can be several pages. Each page should have a QR code. So, or actually not each page. I think the QR code only goes on one page. But if a future school checked the QR code, it would take them to your schools or Hope Academies in this case, but Moodle website to show that the certificate was actually issued by that school. So that other people with the QR code can't see the grades, but they can see that it is an official certificate. So this would all be done automatically. There'd be no need to print out papers. You'd still want to have someone checking the grades, of course, because people make mistakes. But it's pretty easy and really fast, very few clicks. All the lead teacher for the course could easily check, like if you have a student who's struggling in language arts, you could easily check and see, oh, but they're doing really well in science. Why is that? Do they need more language help? And it's just, that's what you can do with Moodle. I'm still working on how to do transcripts with it, but the reports are not that bad.